For small-scale operations, a basic setup might start at around 20美元，000 to 50美元，000. This usually covers essential machinery like cleaning and crushing equipment, along with rudimentary refining capabilities. However, for medium to large-scale industrial plants that require advanced processes such as deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization, the investment could range from 100美元，000 to over 1 美元，million. These systems often include automated controls, enhanced energy efficiency. The choice of supplier also affects pricing. Well-known manufacturers may offer higher quality but come with premium prices, while local suppliers might provide more affordable options tailored to regional needs. Additionally, shipping costs, installation fees. Before making a purchase decision, potential buyers are advised to conduct thorough research, compare quotes from different vendors, and consider long-term operational expenses. It's important to align the equipment specifications with specific business goals, whether focusing on cost effectiveness or maximizing yield and purity levels. Ultimately,